Damn girl, you're not even getting love. The bare minimum. A guy who worships the ground you walk on. You can also have the man of your dream life. You can have the whole world. You can win the whole world. Because why not? No one is that much busy who cannot even text you, who cannot call you, who cannot make time for you, who cannot come to see you. No one is that much busy. Honey, raise your standards. Hi guys, my name is Rakshita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to become a high value woman. So without any further ado, let's get into this. First things first, stop settling. Stop settling. Literally, what are you guys doing? You are literally settling for anything, for the bare minimum, for even under the bare minimum. And I know these women out there getting branded cars, getting diamonds, getting real estate, princess treatment 24/7. And you are here acting desperate, acting insecure, begging for a text message the whole day. Are you kidding me? And why these girls are actually getting these things? Because they have realized their worth. They have these much high standards. And I'm not telling you to go for materialistic things because that's not also right. But damn girl, you're not even getting love. The bare minimum. Honey, raise your standards. You also deserve the same love that you give to others, the same care that you do, the same affection, the same importance, the same attention, and the same loyalty that you give to others. And there's nothing like, oh, I cannot have that much, I'm just being so greedy, this much is enough for me. This planet is so abundant. There is literally so much abundance. So this is enough for me. Nothing is enough for you. You can also have the man of your dream life. You can have the whole world. You can win the whole world. Because why not? Honey, all you have to do is raise your standards, realize your worth, and never settle for less. Never ever. Because this is not just a statement to say a guy who worships the ground you walk on. But such guys do exist. And for you, just for you, honey. Yes, you can have them. Just realize your worth. Point number 2, detachment. This point is related to the first one because if you're going to stop settling, you have to detach yourself from the person with whom you are happy receiving under the bare minimum. Now, what actually happens is you keep holding on to something which is never even meant to be yours, which is never even meant to be with you, with your future self, while begging to God for giving you better in life. And that's not going to happen, ever. Because even when God tries to help you by giving you signs, you just literally ignore them. You just ignore them. You're crying in your room for 24/7, you're staying depressed, you're getting anxiety, you're having panic attacks, you are just craving for that bare attention. And why all of this is happening? Because you keep holding on to that toxic relationship which is draining you day by day. Honey, I know it's difficult to digest, but if you keep holding on to that toxic relationship, if you keep forcing in being that relationship, you're never going to get better in your life. You're never going to grow in your life. You can't, it's basic maths. You can't hold on to the problem while asking to the solution of the problem from God. So if you genuinely want to grow in your life and be better and be happy from heart, you have to let it go. Point number 3, look at the signs. Okay, now that you've understood how to detach yourself, but now you are confused if you are in a toxic relationship or a healthy one currently, you have to look at the signs. You don't have to ignore the signs because those signs could be anything. For an instance, if he doesn't give you time, okay, this is something very important. Honey, no one in this whole planet is so busy. No one, okay, everyone is busy in their lives, fine. But no one is that much busy who cannot even text you, who cannot call you, who cannot make time for you, who cannot come to see you. No one is that much busy. Because if he can make time for his family, if he can make time for his friends, but not for you, honey, move on. He's not interested. What are you doing? Why are you even there? Just leave him. You're just wasting your time, your energy, and your emotions over someone who's not even worthy of it. And this is just one sign that I just told you. There could be many. Dry text, he seems like he's uninterested or he's just forcing the communication. emotional unavailability. When you need him the most, he just leaves you. Or lack of communication, when you guys just had a dispute and he's like, oh, let's just forget it, let's just leave it. He's not communicating with you, he's not solving the problem, he's letting you sleep with a heavy heart. And many more. Disinterest in future plans, dishonesty, unwillingness to compromise. These are all the signs that you have to look for, honey. And if you are actually facing them, you are in a toxic relationship. Get out of it right now, because this is just a bullshit to say that, oh, love is blind. This is a bullshit, because the wiser ones knows that you have to keep your eyes, ears and brain open 24/7. You are his partner, not his servant, so why would you keep your eyes shut? Next and the last point is, have a good company. Surround yourself with good people. Now why I'm saying that is because of the energy exchange theory. What is it? Now whatever I'm going to say in next few seconds is not just a myth, it's not just a bullshit, but a psychologically proven fact. What is energy exchange theory? Okay, I'm sitting here, there's a guy sitting in front of me and we are having a conversation. So while having exchange of words, we are also having exchange of energy. If, for an instance, that guy is having a negative aura, and by negative aura I mean that either that guy is sad from inside or he is depressed himself, and we're just having a conversation. Even if it's a very good conversation, it's a very nice conversation, but still, if that guy is carrying a negative energy and we are communicating with each other, there will be an exchange of energy. And after having the conversation, I'm going to feel so much drained. I'm going to feel so down. I'm going to feel so bad, so sad. Why? Because while communicating, he gave me his negative energy and took my positive one. That is why it is also said that never get engaged in a negative dispute, even if it's just about replying on a negative comment. Because even if the convo ended in your favor only, even if the conversation was on your side, it was actually a happy conversation, it was a nice conversation, but still you will be drained. You know, there was this guy I used to talk to a long time ago, and we used to talk on call, and whenever I had a conversation with him, after that I used to feel so drained. I don't know why. I used to feel so down, I used to feel so sad, I used to feel so bad. But when I actually got to know about this energy exchange theory, I was like, damn, this was nothing but just the energy exchange that just happened between us. And when I actually started maintaining distance from that guy, trust me, things literally got so much better, like so much. That is why I'm telling you, surround yourself with good people. Find your people, find a good company, find people that gives you good vibes, that give you positive energy, who actually wants to see you grow in life, who actually wants to see you do better in life. Because if someone will cheer you, you will actually feel very motivated and you will really get better in life. Same way you are also going to provide them. So this is just a give and take. So baby girl, this must be the mantra of your life. I don't chase, I attract. Whatever is meant for me will simply find me. And actually what is meant for you is the best. It's just the best. You just have to have faith in yourself and life will be happy. It will be so happy. Trust me. Just have trust in yourself and in me. Things will get better. We will make them better together. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video helped someone. I'll be seeing you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy. I love you all. Bye.